Sun has finally decided to show up today. I wasn't quite sure we were going to get any sunshine. It's supposed to hit about 34, which I am more than happy for. No wind. Possible snow tonight, but not really. I don't think we're supposed to get anything. Maybe some in the mountains, but I don't think where we're at, we're supposed to get much of anything. But it is, I've been hauling trash out either to the burn pit or to the burn barrels most of the morning. Before I head for lunch, I want to start tearing down at least one side of the barn, probably, words are hard today. The south side, because it's a little easier. And then the catch pen, because they're a little lighter panels. The other side, they're heavy. I'm hoping I can move them. This whole breathing thing has really diminished how much I'm able to do on my own, and it just pisses me off because I'm not used to having to wait for people to help me, and I don't like it. So I'm going to do as much as I possibly can. My goal before lunch is to move all the sheep into the north pen outside, tear down the south side of the barn, and then the round pen, or not round pen, sorry, catch pen. And then after lunch, I will hopefully be able to get those heavy panels on the north side and then move those out. It really shouldn't take me that long. There's just, I won't be moving any of the bunks because those do take two people. And so because we have the feed bunks attached to the panels, we have to kind of like scooch them. And so we have to have a person on each end to sort of drag them. So those will have to wait until my husband is here to help me move them out of the way. But we do need to clean behind them and in front of them, and the barn is like a disaster. So the starter we should get back today. I am hoping, I need to call him at lunch and hope he called somebody to come repair the tire that is flat and off the rim and needs some help. So once we get that, I'm hoping that after we get done with the, I don't even know what it is we're going to tomorrow, whatever function it is tomorrow. Once we get done with that, we can spend all afternoon. It's a morning thing, so thankfully it's not an all-dayer. We can come home in the afternoon and work on the barn and then finish it up Sunday and move on. Hopefully get it put back together Sunday, and then I can bring the sheep in Monday, separate off who I need to stay in, and go from there. Did I wake you? Come here. Come here. Hi. Come on. Did I wake you up? I'm sorry. Come on. You're not a morning person, are you? I can relate. All right, my darlings. Can we do this without it being like this? Ooh. Oh. A little frozen. Without it being a massive freak out. Let's get this group first. Come on. Okay, group one. Hey, Scotch. Okay, group two. And don't break my gate. Too late. Okay, come on, girls. Come on. You too. No, really, out. Out you go. Good girls. Good girls. You guys are fine. Oh, yeah. You're fine. And freedom. At least it's a sunshiny day. I can say I have never had this problem. These are frozen to the ground. The ground's not really even that frozen. But around, I mean, this water trough is frozen. I have tried several times to move it. It's frozen to the ground. And this panel is frozen where I didn't think I was running the troughs over, but apparently I was, because I cannot get it. So I've got the majority of this side. I'll worry about my T-posts later. I still got this panel and then this gate, and then I will work on this section right here and should be done. But I am moving much slower than I thought I was going to, because I cannot get these stupid panels out of the dirt. They're just frozen. And it's not so much the panel itself, it's these hog panels that we put to keep the lambs from darting underneath that are frozen to the ground. Okay, I changed my mind. Just got off the phone with my husband, and he is not having any luck getting anybody that is able to come out today or tomorrow to fix that loader tire. He is debating about renting like a little skid steer. I have no idea how much it costs to rent. I know last time we did it, it was pretty slow going. It took us like 2 full days because the bucket's a lot smaller. And we are kind of on a time crunch because we do have a full weekend of other stuff going on. But I think what I'm going to do is leave this side up, and that way if we do get a skid steer, we can just drive into that alley and drag it, and then I don't have to try and put it back up again, because those panels are really, really heavy, and I'm already having trouble. So I think, depending on what time he gets home tonight, he was on his way to another meeting, and once he got out of that meeting, he was going to give me a call back and let me know what he had found out. But I think the less I have to tear down, honestly, would be better, because odds are I'm going to be the one putting it all back up by myself. I will figure out what the plan is when I hear from him. So I am going to leave this row of panels up, and that way I can kind of just maneuver them as needed to get a skid steer in and out, if that is the route we go. If not, he can help me move those panels if we can figure out the tire situation on that loader. Okay, I need to go haul hay, and because I want to do that before it gets too late, just so that I have it for when I start feeding. You don't get to brag on my daughter near enough, mainly because she works like 2 full-time jobs and she's never home anymore. But she got home early from work. She is helping me feed, and she's the one throwing hay tonight, so I get to drive. I get to drive because I still can't breathe. Oh, she's fabulous. I love her. My daughter's taking the pickup back around to the shop over here, but I have a ewe that is on her own. She was on her own yesterday when we fed, but then she came over to eat, and today she's not coming to eat at all. So I'm going to see if I can maneuver her into the barn. She kind of looks like she's got a snotty nose. She's hanging her head. She just doesn't look good. What's going on, sis? What's wrong? Huh? You don't feel good? Oh, let's get you in the barn. Come on, sister.
I just got her by the tail right now.
Okay, yeah. Just let her loose. I shut all the gates. So we got food for water for her and some food for her. But she is one of my most wild ewes that you can't get anywhere near ever. And as you can see, she's not even remotely running.
Carmen!
He's fine. He just thinks he's dying. Nobody fed him yet. So I don't know. She's in my February group to lamb. She's got a bag started on her. She's not lambing yet, like she's aborting or anything. But she definitely doesn't feel good. So I don't know if did she get wire in her? Did she eat something that didn't settle with her? Was she one of the snots that went across the creek and ate some bad corn that was left in the field? I don't know. So.
That was a good barp.
Oh, did she burp?
She barp. That was a good barp.
Well, that's something.
Good barp. A little barp, but a good barp.
So I just want her in here where I can keep an eye on her because
She really has the look of, I just want to run away, but I don't have the energy for it.
Exactly.
She has the look of, I hate you all. Leave me alone.
Yeah. So, all right. But I shut all the gates so she can't get out. We're just going to let her roam free in here keep her with some movement. And
you know, it's actually easier to get out this way than try to climb over that has no grip. There's no grip on that side. No climb me climb.